Somebody said it was weird. Who said it?
It's just different than most frogs.
And no one said it had to be realistic.
Okay, here you go. So, something bit my foot.
What?
The 10 frame bee starter kit. Let's see. So, you see, that's why. That's why I said. That's why.
Go put it away and make sure it doesn't get hurt till tomorrow so you can get credit for it.
What is that?
This is the queen excluder. It keeps the queen from going up into the other boxes if you don't want her to. So, queen excluder right on top. Looks like this is the everything that's included. See, included in the package, babe. Yeah, it's just the hat and the gloves, which is what I thought. So there's that.
You still need like a smoker thing, right?
No, it has a smoker. What'd you just do?
No, is he?
Yeah, babe, you want to pull this out for me?
What now?
Will you pull this out for me?
Sure.
Oh wait, never mind. Just kidding. Don't touch. Not touching.
No, I'm already here now.
Can you help me, Mom? Because your wolf picture, the flower means put it.
Okay, so this is covered in, I guess, wax, or the wax melted in here. I didn't think the whole box was supposed to be covered in wax. The lid is, anyways.
Good.
Aw, the queen. This is the thing for the front. I guess the beeswax melted all over, or everything's supposed to be coated in beeswax, but these are like, these are kind of messed up a little bit, so I'll have to get some wood glue and
Got some paperwork with it, right?
fix that. Okay, these are all the frames, I'm assuming, so we'll put those together.
Oh yeah. Peekaboo.
There's some more. Did not realize that these were, ooh, these are coated in wax, that's for sure. So here's the frames. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 frames coated. What are you guys doing there?
Oh, just swinging. Just a swing.
It's so humid. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
He's looking at you.
Hi, buddy. Hi. Wee, are you swinging? Okay, so I guess these are all the tools, but we'll do that in a minute. Here's all the little nails to put these together, I'm sure. Some more pieces for the frames. Ooh, here's the box. Okay, so there's the box part. This is the cover lid, looks like. And ooh, look at the lid, babe. This part goes on top, and then this goes on top.
It reflect a lot of heat, isn't it? That damn lid. Is it supposed to be pretty hot?
Oh no, it's supposed to keep heat out. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, really?
That's why it's on top like that. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't really know though. It's my first beehive, so I don't know. Not knowing. Okay, where's your thing? So fancy with it. About to die.
Hi.
Why is it so hot? Okay. So beekeeping 22 pack bee smoker starter kit. Ooh, there's the smoker. Huh. Now I don't know what this is. Let's see. Good boy.
Oh, that's the hat thing? Comes down over your head?
Yeah. But what is that? Let's see. Oh, it comes with a beetle trap. That's cool. Ooh, there's a queen
This is probably
cage.
just a rack to hold something inside the cage, inside that box.
Okay.
It looks like it would hang over the top, like a rack.
Yeah. Okay. Here's the hat. Look, it's got like a hat. Look at that.
What is it? Yeah, I looked at that. That's pretty cool.
That's too cute. How do you get your head? Ooh, like that, I guess. Oh, God. Uh-oh.
It comes loose and then
I should have thought about the whole claustrophobic thing
and then you got
because...
cinch around your neck.
Blech. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know
You get
about the whole claustrophobic thing. I have a video going, so...
Do you?
Yeah, so I'm
Oh,
not getting a
okay.
picture right
Well,
now.
I better get the heck out of your video. I didn't
You're
even
not
know
in the
this.
video. You're off to the side.
I didn't know.
Yeah, I said I was taking a video to put on YouTube, which is all
You get this in the video or no?
the kids and everything. You're not in the frame, so no. Okay. Whoa. It comes with a really big smoker. I was kind of worried it was going to have a small smoker, but that doesn't look very small to me. Look at that, baby. Check out my smoker. Oh, yeah. Put some meat in here and hot box. No, I'm just kidding.
I thought it would be like these old-timey little paddle ones,
Well, this is a newer version of this. Ooh, there's a little thingy in it. Well, it's in there. And then, how do you get this?
Y'all got it?
Does this come off like this? See, look, babe, look. 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 Oh, yeah.
I see. All right.
Cool, huh?
That's what I was expecting. I
Yeah.
would be disappointed if I didn't see that kind of smoking thing device.
Yeah, it's in here. It's just... It's got the little clip on it so that you can keep it closed, which is nice.
You get down, you know, because you always get into stuff. You can get
What
it
is this? A scraping tool of some sort here?
Whoa! I hate this.
There's a tool. Oh, here's my queen clip. You can stick the queen in here.
The queen's only like the size of that.
Yep. Here's a feeder, which is great. It's got a feeder.
I know what that's for. It's on the
Mason,
feeder.
stop. What is this? Is this a beetle trap?
Hold on. Hey,
Some sort of trap?
sit
Yeah, I
down.
can see that's a trap.
Okay, do you see the video that's going that you keep standing in front of and I'd like you to stop doing that? Thank you. I don't know what these
You
are.
want one of those? Huh?
Queen, oh, smoker
Go give me
pellets.
$1 to
Okay,
give me, and
smoker
I'll
pellets.
open it out here.
Hmm?
Go get me one of those yogurts, please.
What is this? Oh, this is a bee feeder, so that's pretty cool.
Hold on, brother's gonna go get
Oh,
a
here's the
yogurt
little
for you, okay?
things to, here's the little grabbers to grab onto your shelves. Here's some more smoker pellets. Right, Dimmy? No, please go. Yeah, no touch my hat. Thank you.
Leave this stuff alone, baby.
You see the little bee brush? It's very gentle. It's gently just
Right here. Come here. Bring it to me.
get the bees
Oh,
out of the
wait,
way.
Mom's got my knife.
Look at this giant spatula. Whoa, look at this thing.
Come here.
What is that?
This is an uncapping knife to uncap the honey. But look at that thing.
You got my razor knife or no?
No, it's right there.
Can I help you put this together?
No, it's already together.
Oh.
I think these are
What?
beetle
I'm getting
traps.
to you, baby. Hold on, all
Yeah,
right?
these are beetle
Let me get out of
traps.
here.
Were you in it that
Can I
time?
finish this
Well,
and build
I
a
think
tunnel?
so.
You'll be all right. Spur, wire, wheel, and better. All right, well, we'll figure out what that's for.
Yeah.
Here's a separating tool, I believe. And look at that Beehive shovel. Oh, that's a frame holder. You're right. Maybe that's what I need to put them together.
There you go.
I thought you said it was together.
What is this? The frames are not together. Oh, multifunctional tool.
No, we like those.
There's the shovel here.
We love multifunctional tools.
Look at these gloves, man.
Holy shoot.
Look at the big gloves. Oh, they're attached. I might
You want a knife?
make it difficult.
Oh.
Here we go. We're going to put these bad boy. Well, I guess these aren't going to do crap for me because I'm still going to get stung, even with a hat.
Why?
I don't know. I'll have to put long sleeves on, I guess. Or a longer sleeve shirt. I don't know.
Well, yeah. Most people put
Gloves.
shirt or something.
You think so?
I don't think they're gonna go after.
Oh,
knives.
look. This is a queen marker. A queen marking tube.
What's it do?
Well, what do you do? How do you do?
You put the queen in there, and then you just use this to keep her right there, and then you take a marker, like a white
Oh, it's a
outmark
holding
it.
tool. I
Yeah,
got
just
you.
so you can mark her.
I was trying to figure out how it marks it.
No, it's
Like
just.
a branding tool for a
Oh
cow.
God, no, not like that.
How are you
No.
doing that?
Here's the separator, I believe. Oh yeah, here's the J hook.
Wow, there's a lot of stuff in there.
It
Yeah, don't
is.
forget
It's
about
crazy. And then here's the L hook.
a little s-
And I think that's everything.
How much was that?
It was $212 altogether.
Not bad. Not bad.
229, wasn't it?
Yeah, maybe it was $229
It's
after
a lot
shipping.
of
I
money,
don't know.
but it's a lot of stuff for the detail. It'll give you a lot of head start.
Mhm.
Especially that
Yeah.
smoker.
Thank you. These children. All right. So, I kind of want to put everything together real quick here. Just so we can get a view of the box. All right, so I will stick all of this stuff back in here. What? What? Go. Oops. Thank you. Okay. Ooh. One more tool. Huh. You know what?
I'll tell you though, I think it's an awesome deal, isn't it?
I think oh yeah, I
There's
think
a lot
so.
of stuff there.
I think this is the stand that it stands
I
on.
was in there asking if you wanted to put it together today.
Oh yeah. Well, we have to put the frames together. I don't think I want to do the frames right now because I'm trying to get my buzz on.
I was
And
also in there trying to moon you through the window.
oh, okay, watch out, please. This is not for you to step on. Go on, baby. Back up. Okay, so this is. Yep, I was right. So this is the base, and this side would be the entrance. Oops, we're gonna be gentle, Kimberly. We're not gonna do that again. Okay, so. And then here's the queen excluder, which will keep her wherever you don't want her to go because she's too big to fit through these holes. All the worker bees can fit through, but she can't.
Oh, so you're gonna separate her in one of those, huh?
Well, it's for when, I believe it's for when you add another box.
I was gonna say, how many?
Or
'cause that
something,
looks
I don't
very
know.
Short. How many boxes is that, right? Just one?
You start with one. You don't add another box until they fill it up 80% of the way. So we have to wait. So we buy one box at a
Okay,
time.
so those other ones that I told you about, let me see.
Those
are like this high.
So those are like super. This is one super box, and so that's probably super boxes and stuff. But that's why I want to go see how much they are, because if they're a good price, it's worth it. But it's not they're probably not starter kits.
These look much better.
Like this is starter kits because of this, but I'm gonna paint it anyway, so it doesn't matter. I was gonna paint them.
Really?
These can recognize colors, so you
that.
paint their. Do you? Well, fine then. I'll keep one of them brown for you, and I'll have some that I paint too. There you go.
It's not brown, it's wood shit.
But yeah, so there's that, and then here's the.
Come here, boo.
And then this is the inside lid right here. That goes there.
Tammy.
And then this goes over top. And you can set them on like concrete or whatever.
How come that one? Oh, I got you.
There we go. And it fits like that. And then this little strip thing, which has seen better days.
Seen better days?
Yeah. Let me
Wait,
show you. I know. That's, I'm like, what, really? See, it looks like it got a little roughed up on the way here. Right
I
there.
know we get that stuff again. I think I saw some. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Splintering up.
Yeah.
Pull it off of there.
Do I pull it off? I thought it was going to make it worse.
No, I think you can just strip it off there.
Oh. It's trying to, it's,
Timmy, you done with this?
you can't see it. It's splintering in a couple of spots. But you put this in the front, it's like, I forgot what it's called, but it's supposed to slow the bees down.
Oh, like a baffle kind of thing?
I guess. I don't know. Huh. There we go. But yeah, so you put that right there in the front, and that just deters the bees from trying to take off, basically. It makes them go a little slower in the entrance.
Are you talking to the phone? Or?
I was talking to you. But yeah.
I did see
It's so cute!
I did see what I saw. So.
Did you? So now we get the fun part of putting all the frames together. Which are right here on the shelf.